Hey guys, it's me here again, and I'm playing Deadbolt, new series. Well, not new. Basically, I recorded 2 episodes of this before, but didn't like them. So we did this part and a few other levels before this, but this one die. Okay. Yeah, so I know how to play this a little bit. Come on. So basically, this is a game where you have to kill these zombies, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Sorry, this team runs a little bit bad. I think it runs bad on this computer. Okay. Gotcha, buddy. And he goes to cover, which he could use, but I'm just gonna do this. Oh no! Okay. So basically in this game, a one shot, you get one shot if you get shot once. So, yeah. Especially these dudes. Okay. I'm gonna go up on top here. Okay. You can also punch. So I'm gonna punch super right face. Boosh, 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 boosh. There we go. There's 2 dudes in here. Haha. I have this. You can go through vents. Got this thing. Okay. Killed him. Okay. This one out. Yeah. One last safe. These first level are pretty easy. I almost lost that. That would have been hilarious. Okay. That was the first mission. It was hardest mission ever. Oh no, I put my accuracy. Why did I do that? Okay. Clusters. Wow, I didn't think I'd get that. I thought I'd get a 0. Because I did it so bad. Just touched the mic. Didn't try that. So he said, okay, finally you're back. I'm not gonna read all this stuff because I have a time limit because I'm stupid and don't want to pay for Bandicams, a full version, so I have 10 minutes to make videos, so okay. You can just pause this and read this stuff. It's a really weird game. I read the first little bit of it and know a little bit of the story for just like a few levels. Okay. And now these are the actual missions. Click on the photographs. I wonder why. Okay, there's quite a few dudes in here, but that's not a problem. Because you can just do this. Great, it's gonna take 50 years for me to punch him again. I'll punch like the speed of light. Okay, these dudes don't hear me bash this guy's face in. There we go. There we go. Okay, sleep now. And the lights are really important in this game because, yeah, sometimes you get screwed over because the enemies are stupid. Okay. There we go. Some dude out there. What a weird guy. See, look, watch this. Stun. You stun. Okay. I didn't even have to use the vent. That's pretty cool. Where did I do? There we go. Now these 2 dudes down here, and this dude. It's pretty easy. Run! You can't run in this. Maybe I can though, cause. Okay. I'm just gonna wait for you to turn around so I can do this. Guess what? You're dead. So this dude's. Oh, you wanna do that? Fine. Oops. A little bit weird. Oh, the car turned on. That's magic. The car just turns off by itself. You don't have to shoot the lights. I only had to use that other. Oh, why am I putting in my accuracy? I'm stupid. Well, the star doesn't do anything anyway. Okay. Pretty sure now this is the part where. Dude. Part where, I don't know, this is just a weird game. A 5 stars still, even when my accuracy was terrible. Well, it has a lot to do with death and time. That's great. Hey, you can read the cassette tapes too, but they're just talking about bosses later on in the game. Like, Jimmy Neutron. That guy. Okay. Flames roll to light, powders, and drug zombies. Weird guys. Okay. Yeah, the bouncer, large zombies with shotguns. Take a few shots in the head to bring down. I think it's 3 shots with a revolver. Pretty scary stuff. I didn't just fall. Okay. Okay, I have a timer on. 9 minutes. Oh, I pressed E. Can't touch it because Rowan says. Oh yes, I wonder who Rowan is. Sounds like a pretty strange guy right there. Okay, this hammer. Okay, come on. Okay. Boosh, boosh. Boosh, boosh. A boosh and a boosh. And then turn this off. Turn this off. She doesn't shoot. You blind, buddy. These 2 retards are here. How long are you gonna stand there for? Another 13 Screw this. You gotta be joking. That wasn't embarrassing at all. Hello. What an idiot. Okay. So I'm gonna make a run for this. Swap out to revolver. That's what you get. Now I'm gonna do this. I'm not gonna do that actually. Oh, this guy didn't hear me. What a retard. I don't think you're supposed to kill all the enemies in this. Jeez. What a strange man. Okay. You can see revolvers are a little bit more powerful than those pistols. Yeah, I gotta kill all undead. That's pretty easy. Timer! Boom! And boom! Timer's going off. Blasting my ears out because I have my thing out way too loud. It's fine though. Okay. Just let my ears blasted out. That's fine. Okay. Oh yeah, there was a shotgun with 2 bullets, but pretty sure you can kill the bouncer 1 shot. That's pretty good. 48 seconds. Oh no, that's bad. I think I took more time with the first mission. Okay. Okay. Go to docks. We'll go to the docks in the next video. So see you guys at that moment in time and space. Bye, says Vincent. Okay, bye.